Ayan po guys, kami nagre-ready na. Papunta kami sa Narsagaray Bitbit River. Sama ko si Oge. Ayun, nagbibihis. Dito pa kami is 10 AM in the morning. Napag-isipan lang, biglaan lang ilakad namin. Balik ako kayo sa susunod para makita niyo yung daan papuntang Bitbit River. Okay guys, bye. Hello guys, ito on the way na kami. Kasama ko si Uge, tropang Uge, ayan. Saka si Jerome, pakita ko si Jerome sa likod.
Ayan, ito na.
Ayan. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Santuario de Paz sa Angat. Sa Narsagaray pala, sorry. Sa Narsagaray na kami. Kasama ko pa rin si Tropang Uge. Yan. Salita ka naman, Tropa. Arte. At ito pa, ang kasama ko si...
Unload natin.
Yan. Si J Camp. Yan. Nandito kami ngayon. Yan, look. Ang ganda ng view. Yan.
Back to you guys! Malapit na kami sa Bitbit River.
You're on a plane to Tokyo, to LA and to places I don't know. And every time you leave at home I hate it but I know it's not for long. When you travel down the coast, when you look across the shore, when you hear the ocean roar, I'm waiting for your call. When you make it to the island, sand beneath your feet. When I look at the horizon, well, you think of me. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold. Oh, when you're alone, you are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. You're taking off to Mexico, to Paris, and I know you long for more. I'm waiting for you all that long. I wanna see the pictures on your phone. The sun goes down, the sun comes up. I wake up slow, I wonder where you've gone. You left the ground a while ago. I'm losing every sense of time.
Hello guys! Back to you guys.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Ipo Dam. Look, ayan, nakita niyo pa ang Ipo Dam. At nandito kami sa napagandang picture area dito. Tawag nila dito.
Back to you guys. Nandito na kami sa Bitbit River. Sarap maligo.
Yeah, guys, naligo na ko si Boss Uge. Yeah. Kami hindi pwede maligo. Kami nag-drive. Yeah. Yun yung pagmumukha. Ito. Yeah. Yan na siya maliligo. Yeah. Okay. Yan guys, Siya nga pala, ang gastusin dito is 10 pesos para sa barangay. Abangan na kayo doon sa may labasan ng barangay town at sisingiling kayo ng 10 pesos each. Tapos dito sa Bitbit River is 30 pesos for motorcycle, 10 pesos for bike. And so on yung iba, yung mga 4 wheels, conforme sa dala nyo sasakyan ng bayad dito. Ang bayad lang naman is pang bay sasakyan. Kung anong klase dala nyo sasakyan, yun lang babayaran nyo. Nagbabanlaw na lang si Yogi. At maya konti kami aalis na at uuwi na. Okay, yan. Jerome. Boss Yogi.
And it is getting harder to see your face. We're halfway there, we're halfway there. We're halfway there, we're halfway there. We were younger then, we were stronger then. We were sinking then, we were different then. We were younger then, we were stronger then. We were sinking then, we were different then.
Pagkaan. Dito namin sa Plaridel. At gawin ako ng safe. Ito, pakulo sa biyahe.
Almost 2 hours kami nag-drive from Banga to Bitbit. Ngayon naman solve naman ang aming biyahe. Safe naman, walang hassle. Dire-diretso. Yun lang, naiwalay sa amin si Boss Jerome. Dahil sa bypass ata siya tumaan, kaya kami naglooban. Mamaya yan, si Boss ang ginabahala sa inyo mag-usap, mag-drive na ako.